Hi everyone. Let's talk about something exciting that's changing how we interact with the government, ICT, or Information and Communication Technology, in governance. Governance is all about managing a country's resources, institutions, and policies to ensure the well-being of its people. ICT makes this possible by using technology to improve how the government works and connects with us. It involves decision-making, implementing laws, and delivering essential services like education and infrastructure. Good governance means these processes are efficient, transparent, and fair. Governments should avoid pollution, waste, and inefficiency. And also citizens' communities and businesses. ICT can help by improving transparency, accountability, and efficiency. In this session, I'll show you how ICT helps, share examples, and also talk about some challenges we need to solve. Better government. Let's start with government services. Have you ever waited in a long line just to get a simple document? ICT is solving that. For example, the Philippine Identification System, or PhilSys, gives everyone a national ID, making it easier to access government services without the hassle. Another great example is the XS Touch app, which lets government employees and retirees check their records and services online. No more paperwork or long queues, it's all on your phone. Now, let's talk about trust in government. Transparency means the government is open and honest, and ICT helps make that happen. Through the Freedom of Information (FOI) portal, anyone can request government records online. It's a way for people to check if the government is doing its job right. Then there's Open Data Philippines, a website where the government shares data for public use. Whether you're a student, a researcher, or just curious, you can access important information anytime. Next is e-governance. E-governance is a fancy term for using technology to make government services accessible online. For instance, the eGovPay platform lets you pay government fees quickly and securely, without going to an office. The iGovPhil project is another great initiative that helps government agencies work together efficiently, improving services for all of us. It is tasked to provide the necessary infrastructure and software needed for e-governance. The infrastructure includes the creation of data centers and layout of fiber optic networks to interconnect government offices and provide high-speed communication and sharing of tasks and data. Software includes online tools, services and applications for use by government agencies and citizens. ICT also helps people, especially those in underserved areas, access financial services. Platforms like GCash and PayMaya make it easy to send and receive money. These are especially useful for government aid, like the 4Ps program, which delivers cash assistance to families digitally. By using these tools, the government ensures that help reaches even the remotest areas. Education and healthcare are two areas where ICT is making a big difference. For education, the DepEd Commons provides students and teachers with online learning resources. This was especially important during the pandemic when schools had to shift online. For healthcare, the DOH telemedicine services allow patients to talk to doctors remotely, which is vital for people living far from hospitals. Let's move to elections, something every Filipino cares about. ICT has made elections faster and more reliable through the automated election system, AES. Gone are the days of waiting weeks for results. With ICE, votes are counted electronically, reducing errors and making the process more transparent. The Philippines is prone to typhoons, earthquakes, and floods. ICT helps us prepare and respond to these disasters. For example, Project NOAA provides real-time hazard data, so communities can take action before disasters strike. We also have Hotline 888, where citizens can report issues like inefficiency or corruption in government services. It's a way to hold the government accountable, even during emergencies. Lastly, let's talk about small businesses. The government supports entrepreneurs through ICT. The DTI's Negocio Center online provides tools and resources for small business owners to succeed in a digital world. It's a step toward helping our local businesses compete globally. Challenges in ICT governance. While ICT is amazing, there are challenges we need to address to ensure its full potential is realized for everyone. Digital divide challenge. Many rural areas in the Philippines still lack reliable internet and ICT infrastructure. Prioritizing government and private sector collaboration to expand connectivity in underserved areas. Cybersecurity threats. Government systems and citizens' data are vulnerable to hackers and cybercriminals. Invest in cybersecurity measures, including training cybersecurity experts and implementing regular audits for government systems. Digital literacy. Many people, especially in underserved areas, lack the skills to effectively use ICT tools. Nationwide digital literacy programs, starting in schools and extending to community workshops for adults. Infrastructure gaps. Many areas still struggle with slow, expensive, or unreliable internet. Infrastructure investments for high-speed, affordable internet, especially in remote and island communities. Data privacy. Protecting personal information under the Data Privacy Act remains a key issue. Enforcing strict compliance by businesses and government agencies and educating citizens on their rights. Opportunities in ICT governance. Despite these challenges, ICT has the potential to transform governance for the better. Let's explore how it's already making an impact. ICT enables faster and more transparent delivery of government services, reducing red tape and long queues. For example, a citizen renewing their driver's license online and receiving the new card at home. Government offices with minimal queues that showcase streamlined digital services represent a significant shift towards modernizing public services to improve accessibility, efficiency, and convenience for citizens. Transparent elections. ICT tools like automated election systems ensure a fairer, more transparent, and faster electoral processes. Improved disaster response. Real-time data from ICT tools helps responders assess situations and deliver aid faster during calamities. Using drones to survey flood-affected areas. Command centers tracking real-time weather data and coordinating rescue efforts. The economic empowerment. Access to the internet helps Filipinos launching their own business and online platform and upskill through e-learning platforms and find better job opportunities. This part we will discuss about the inclusive education. In this inclusive education is the e-learning platforms enable students in remote areas to access the quality of education. ICT. Revolutionizing how we experience governance. From faster services, safer elections, disaster response, technology closer to the people. But there is more work to be done. By solving issues like the digital and improving cybersecurity, we can ensure ICT benefits everyone, not just a few. Let us continue to wholeheartedly support and embrace the transformative power of information and communication technology, ICT, as a key driver for a better, more inclusive Philippines. As we stand at the crossroads of rapid technological advancement, it is essential that we recognize the profound impact that ICT can have on the future of our nation. By harnessing the potential of digital tools and innovations, we can create a future where no one is left behind, and where every Filipino, regardless of their background or geographical location, can access the opportunities they deserve. The integration of ICT into governance and public service delivery is not just about improving efficiency, it is about creating a system that is more transparent, accountable, and responsive to the needs of our people. Through digital platforms, government services can become more accessible, reducing bureaucracy and making it easier for citizens to engage with and benefit from public services. Whether it's accessing healthcare, education, or social welfare, ICT has the power to bridge gaps and eliminate barriers that have long existed in traditional systems. Thank you for your time. Let's work together to make ICT a tool for progress and empowerment for every Filipino. The future is digital, and the future is inclusive.